Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to blend photos seamlessly on Canva in 2025. Whether you are creating a social media post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a creative design, blending images can add a professional touch. Let's get started. First of all, open Canva and click on Create a new design or Create a design. Select your preferred dimensions. For this tutorial, I will use 1920 and 1080. Then click Create New Design. Now, upload the photos you want to blend. You can also use Canva's stock images by going to the Elements tab and searching for picture. Drag the image onto the canvas and adjust their size. Overlapping them slightly will make the blending effect smoother. Now select an image, then click on transparency from the toolbar and lower the opacity. Do the same for the other image to make them blend naturally. For a smoother transition, go to Elements and search for Gradient Fade. Choose one with a transparent effect. Adjust its size and place it over the area where the image meet. If you are a Canva Pro user, try the background remover tool. Select an image, click Edit, then Background Remover. This helps blend images seamlessly by erasing unwanted parts. To make the images blend even better, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also apply the same filter to both images for a unified look. Once you are happy with the blend, click share, then download. I recommend using PNG for the best quality. And that's it. Now you know how to blend photos like a pro on Canva in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.